The Prime Minister said COVID is continuing to ravage Ontario and help is on the way.
Let's be clear. Sending men and women in uniform to help in Ontario is a serious step. We're doing this because the situation requires it.
Public Safety Minister Bill Blair also said 62 health workers from federal departments across Canada will be sent to Ontario.
The Canadian Armed Forces is also deploying 9 ICU nurses and up to 3 multi-purpose medical assistance teams. In addition, the Canadian Red Cross is prepared to deploy an initial group of 13 nurses with ICU and emergency response experience, and they are prepared to deploy up to 30 additional resources.
On the vaccine front, Canada will be receiving the first doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine within the coming days. And starting next week, Pfizer will deliver 2 million doses per week. Dr. Theresa Tam says vaccinations are going well, especially in Indigenous communities, and Indigenous leadership has played a big part in that success.
With increasing vaccine uptake, active COVID-19 cases have dropped more than 80% in First Nations communities in the past 3 months. It is enormously encouraging to see how vaccination is serving to protect higher risk communities.
Trudeau is encouraging everyone eligible to get their vaccine.
When it's your turn, make sure you book an appointment to get your shot. Sophie and I got our first doses of AstraZeneca on Friday. We're feeling great, we're feeling more protected, and we're also feeling like we're part of the solution going forward.
Health officials say Canada's vaccines seem to be pretty effective in protecting against the COVID-19 variants of concern, which are driving this third wave of the pandemic, but they're not 100%, and people still need to observe public health guidelines. Pashagumskum, APTN National News, Ottawa.